Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Infinix software is up to date and unlocking developer options. This prevents hidden restrictions later. Once done, go straight to Apps, then Special Access, and enable display over other apps for the apps you plan to float. You're doing this to grant the window permission that Android enforces. Make sure to enable it for the target app now, so the floating window can appear when we configure it in the next step. Now you configure the app itself so it will float. Open the app and look for a multi-window or floating panel option in its menus. Many apps include a float toggle. If not, enter recent apps and try the split screen or pop-up view gesture to convert it into a floating window. Then, drag the window edges to resize and move it where you want. Doing this lets you keep the app accessible while using other apps, which is the whole point of floating windows. Finish by locking the floating window or enabling any persistent notification option the app offers so it won't be killed by the system. If the floating window doesn't appear, revoke and re-grant the display over other apps permission for that app, then restart the app. Make sure battery optimizations aren't restricting background activity. If problems persist, reboot the phone. Often permission changes require a restart. This sequence results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.